Have you ever wondered what it's like to play Pokemon Yellow in 2025? Well, let me show ya. Hi, my name is Q, and I made it my mission to broadcast and show the world my playthrough of all Pokemon titles, not including remakes. We're starting from the very beginning with Pokemon Yellow. I chose Pokemon Yellow for a few reasons. One, it fixed a lot of the bugs that Pokemon Red and Blue had, and two, the game literally gives you all the starter Pokemon. This makes the game a much more easier and playable experience. Now, why would I need the game to be easier? I'm going to be honest, I'm not the most knowledgeable of the subject of the mechanics of OG Pokemon, but from what I both experienced and learned while playing the game, the RNG is very unfair. Now, side note, I may have accidentally corrupted my first save file. Yeah, I know. I can hear you typing in the comments already. I have a very good reason why this happened. My reason? I made an oopsie whoopsie. I was trying to optimize my settings for my stream, and while doing test runs, I accidentally froze the game, and because of this, the save file got corrupted. But that's okay. I wasn't really that far in the game before the corruption, and I was able to make up my loss with the knowledge I picked up from my first run. Alright, time to get into the gameplay. Alright. Okay. The dreaded new game. The dreaded new game. We have to press forward. We have to press on. Hello, Professor Oak. Yes, we've gone through this introduction. I'm gonna be speeding through. Basically, he's saying that we have a wonderful world of Pokemon, and we can, hang out and battle, all that cool stuff. Turn that mindset into a grind set. Oh, you're so right. Oh my god. So, hi, my name is Q. Okay. What was his name again? My friend Hime had a very good suggestion of Mole Jr. So, Richard no longer exists. We have Mole Jr. with us today. That's right. His name is Mole Jr. I got shrunked. Hi, Mom. Bye, Mom. I don't got time for this. Hey, what's up? Yeah, Gramps isn't here. Yeah, okay. We going, we schmoovin'. Oh my god. Stop right there, criminal scum, says Professor Oak. Oh my god. That would be so Oh my god. A Pokemon did come out of the woodworks. Alright, we're being yanked back. Alright. We are here. I'm grabbing the Pokeball. Never mind, Mole Jr. has other ideas. Alright. Yes. We're gonna give a funny name to Pikachu. I think that's a pretty good one. We turned Ash into a Pokemon. Alright. Yes, we now have to battle Mole Jr. Alright. Okay, so we leveled up. I learned Tail Whip. Yippee! Okay. Yeah, it was nice knowing you. Oh, he's zooming too. What? Oh yeah, Pikachu doesn't like being in the ball. Oh my god, who would have thought? Oh, Grandpa! This is private property! Hey, kid, you're from Palatown, right? I got a parcel for Professor Oak. You should totally go deliver it for me. Alright, I will do just that. Alright. Hey, Professor Oak, I have a gift for you. Alright. Yes, I will do a favor for you. With Mole Jr. But I'm literally the best. I'm the best Pokemon trainer. Okay. To make... yeah. I'm completing your dreams. I have no choice in the matter. Get moving! I'm trying! Alright, we're schmoovin'. We're schmoovin' and we're groovin'. Alright, we're going. We're moving. There's so much awaits us. So much progress I have to make up. Hello, old man. Yes, you've had your coffee and you feel great. Can you show me how to do the Pokeball? Oh, I think that's supposed to happen where he misses. I have to get some at the Pokemart. And off he goes. Alright. Back on the move we go. Ooh. Looks at Pikachu. We have to get the block again. We have to get the block. That is so important. Another one. I wonder... Can you stay in the ball, please? Oh! Zing. Squawk. Alright. We have a flying type now. Switch. And we need to get Hamster. We need to get Hamster. Hamster! You came back! Okay. Pokeball, go! Yes, we got Hamster. The block! The block! He's here! He's here! The block is here! Get in the ball! The block, you are mine! Yeah. We have gotten the block. We did it, chat. The block is with us once again. We have the core foundation for our team. The path of trajectory is level 10 for the gym, for gym 1. And then Mount Moon, we're going to be getting everyone to level 15-ish, because that was also pretty brutal. And then when we get out and we hit, and we go to Bill, we'll be around 20-ish. And then when we finish with Bill, we should be at 25. Oh, at least I want to have Pikachu 25. Everyone else can be 20, but Pikachu got creamed when we went against Misty. Ooh, ow, ooh, ow, ooh, ow. Oh no. Oh no. No Hamster! No! I love Hamster. I learned my lesson. Hamster, soft, and we need to bulk up Hamster more. Gotta feed them more protein powder. The block. I want to imagine that the block talks in third person. The block is perplexed by your request. The block is not sure what you're asking for. When is it gonna be over? The block, when are you gonna level up? 1 XP! 1 XP until level up. 1 XP until level up. Well, we'll give you that 1 XP. Finally. That's just enough. Hello? Hey, Q! You're going to the Pokemon League? Forget it! You probably don't have any badges! Your guard won't let you through! By the way, did your Pokemon get any stronger? Come on, come on, come on! Oh... Oh, it's so Jover. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah! Oh my god, we clutched. Oh, thank goodness. Aw, you just looked out. So what if I did? Sounds like a skill issue, dude. You know, I'm just gonna take a peek in the forest, see what we're up against. Oh god. I hate dealing with metapods. I'm not gonna deal with a metapod. No siree. I am not torturing myself. Man, stop! Horror, it's a funny joke. We're not gonna torture myself. We're not gonna torture myself. I thought about it. I said, was it worth it? Is it truly worth it? This is worth it. Oh yeah. Squawk is thriving in here. First we have the block, and now we have the Squawk. I wonder if we could start taking on trainers. Let us find out. Hey! I ran out of Pokeballs to catch Pokemon with. You should carry extras. You're not a trainer? You fooled me. You fooled me. No, Caterpie can't cut it! Man, sucks to suck, dude. After this trainer, I'm gonna start having Hamster up front so they can start getting some XP as well. Yo, can't jam out of your Pokemon tree. What? I must have misread that. We are thriving right now. Oh, this is magnificent. This is beautiful. All right, Hamster. Start taking notes, Hamster. How you doing, Knight? As you can see, we're back in the beginning. But we're making pretty decent progress. Like, now that I know what I need to do, what Pokemon I need to get, and I just know, things are just going a little bit more quickly. You're doing alright, and you couldn't tell you don't know Pokemon? What? Oh my god, I fooled you. I could have just been like, hey, yeah, we're so far ahead in the game, we're making so much progress, and you wouldn't have known. I could have tricked you, I could have fooled you. And instead I was honest. This is what I get for being honest. Right. Alright, yeah. We're making... Oh my goodness. Oh My good golly gushes, me oh my. What does this say? No stealing Pokemon from other trainers. Catch only wild Pokemon. God, you're no fair. Okay, so we still have Hamster up front. We need to get everyone to level 10. Especially the block. The block needs to be level 10 higher if possible. Get ready for my growth spurt? No, I hope I growth shrink. Growth shrink. That's what I want. I want to shrink. How small do you want to be? That's a great question. Huh. I mean, I'm already not that tall to begin with. But it would be really funny to be a little bit shorter. No. No, you are not gonna do such a thing. I like my shins, thank you very much. We just need to get like a magic potion. A magic potion that just, you know, shrinks me just a tad. Alright. Alright. We defeated all the trainers in the forest. Our Pokemon are almost all to level 10. We were able to accomplish this a lot quicker than the first stream. The first stream, I still had quite a bit of grinding to do. Then again, I did have a much bigger team. So I had to, you know, put focus into others. But we really zoomed through this. I'm very proud of myself. Alright. Come on, let me get out of here. I want to get out of here.